Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's video, we would like to write a program that calculates the maximum number of full tiles needed to cover a floor, given the area and the size of one tile. Here, what we mean by to cover a floor, given the area. So for example, if the output is to have 28.5 tiles to cover the floor, when we are using the floor function, it is going to return number 28. So it is going to round it down. So let me illustrate it with an example. Here we are having the math library being imported. We are showing this message to the user, enter the total area of the floor in square meter. And we are storing it in area variable. Then we are saying that enter the size of one tile in a square meter. And we are going to store it in tile size variable. Then the variable tiles needed equals math.floor. So this is the floor is the function of the math library. And in parentheses, we are calculating this area divided by tile underscore size. Basically, if I run this code, it is going to be something like this. So enter the total area of the floor. So imagine that for example, the room that I would like to cover it with tile is 20 square meters. And for example, enter the size of one tile in a square meter. And it's, for example, one tile is 0.7 square meter. Okay. So when I run, we see that the output says you will need 28 full tiles to cover the floor. But when this area is divided by tile size, which means 20 divided by 0.7, if you do it yourself with calculator, you will see that the output is 28.571, for example, approximately. Okay. But because we are using the floor function from the math library, we see that it is rounding it down to number 28. So it says that you need 28 full tiles to cover the floor. This is how actually this floor function from math library is going to work. So basically, we are going to ask the user to enter the size of the area of the floor in a square meter, for example, then the size of each tile in a square meter, and then divide the area by the tile size and round it down to the closest integer number. Then it is going to show us in the output using the print function saying that you will need, for example, 28 full tiles to cover the floor. Thank you for watching.